All right, cool. Hi, Basic Filmmaker at NAB again. I'm here with Karl. Hi, Karl.
Hi.
From Vocal Booth. I told you I'd check out Vocal Booths for music, video, voiceovers. Karl is, what's your job?
The production manager here at Vocal Booth.
He's the production manager. So he actually builds his stuff so he knows everything there is to know.
Absolutely.
So tell us about your product.
Our product is based around a portable modular design. We build Vocal Booths from 4x4 square all the way up to 16x24. We build them in a diamond configuration, 4 different sizes. We call those our 3 carat, 4 carat, 5 carat, and 10 carat.
Now, it's interesting because I don't know a lot about these. And one of the things I was worried about was, if I get in there, I'm going to be dying. I'm going to be sweating. Yeah. And I noticed you have some interesting ventilation. I walked in the booth. I'll walk in the booth in a few minutes and let you hear it. How does that work?
So we have a silent ventilation system. We have fan connected through some acoustical ducting and a vent silencer on there. It's just recycling the air, ambient air temperature from the outside to the inside of the booth. We're just pulling whatever air temperature there is outside back into the inside.
You custom build these, correct?
We custom build all of these from the ground up per order. We offer one booth, entry level booth, $48.95. That's 4x4 size. Everything else is built to order per customers.
So a 4x4 booth, let's say I'm doing audiobook voiceovers or probably vocal voiceovers, that would be...
Yeah. Perfect for short voiceover sessions. If you're going to be spending a lot more time in your booth, you're going to want something larger than that.
Otherwise you're like, ah!
Gets claustrophobic in there. Yeah.
And then, now they're custom made, right?
Yeah, custom made.
And then you ship them, and the person you ship them to installs them.
Most of our customers do the installation themselves. We do offer an installation service, but they're very easy to assemble. Hardest part is sometimes getting the items from your freight truck to your location where you're going to be doing the assembly. But once everything's there, assembly is very straightforward, very easy. Doesn't take a lot of time, and all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver.
What?
That's it. Just a Phillips head screwdriver.
Okay, I'll shoot some B-roll of this. I don't know. A Phillips head screwdriver. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I noticed the 4x4, which I'll show some B-roll over the top of this. And this
size right here is an 8x12, 8x12 double wall booth. So isolation in that is going to be really good for a noisy trade show, noise floor.
I went in there and it was amazing. Yeah. It was with the amount of noise that you hear around here, and I went here and it was truly amazing. Yeah. Okay, here I am in the vocal booth. I'm at NAB. You can see over here all these people walking. Oh, look at these people. They wave at the people. You can see all these people. They're talking. There's people over here. There's a lot going on around me, and I don't hear anything. I slightly hear a guy talking. The floor is raised. We got sound acoustic treatments. We got windows. This is awesome. I'm really going to look into this for voiceover and narrations and stuff. This is nice stuff. I imagine, like, let's say somebody came to you and said, hey, I want to film, I want to shoot, I want to have a quiet space. I'm making this up. Let's say 10x20 booth. You can do that?
We can do 10x20. We can go all the way up to 16x24. Custom heights up to 9.5 feet tall.
So I could do 10x24, did you say?
You could do 10x24. We could do 16x24 is about the largest we do.
16x24 with 9 foot height.
9 foot high walls, yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And Karl, I really appreciate you taking the time, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Fun. I know this is weird.
This is weird because,
hey, man.
yeah.
hey, let's do this.